Assalamu alaikum. Syed Mazhar is from Mr. IT. Here I have another tutorial for you how to secure your Mikrotik router. First of all, when you connect your Mikrotik router using username and password blank, it has no password, so you need to change your password. First, we go to system user. Here it's default username admin. Going to change its password. Use password. Save my password. Here I set already set my password. I connect. If I in this time, if I try to username and password blank, it will show. It will not connect. It will check out username and password. Now I'm going to try. Now when I say to new password here, I need to log in using my password, so I can log in. Then I have to go IP to service port. If I do not using API or API SSL, FTP SSL telnet, uh, I will block them port. If I using API or SSL port, I should change API or SSL port number. By default 21 FTP port and SSL 22 and telnet with 23. I Now I can change it to 2020, 23, 23, 2020. It's also I need to change Windows port 8291. It's default port if I using 8989. Okay, and web port 8282. It's basic security for my Mikrotik router. I can also set which IP available from this router. Here I can add my router IP. Uh, Sorry, here I can add my IP prefix where I can from login from this router. I can set this address from for router. It will also secure my router. If I do not using this port, I should block this port. Otherwise, many types of log I will get. Um, and also we go to system user and create another user like Mr. IT for my channel name. Group mode obviously full. Password, set a password. I set a password. Here a group policy which full mode. If user mode full, you can change each and every part. Read mode or read means is viewer mode. Read mode user can only view configuration. Write mode write mode have some limitation. You could not take backup from router. You can uh, only some policy, and also you cannot take backup from router. It's a right mode work. Thank you for watching. Here is basic Mikrotik router.